Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Achal and you are watching another exciting video in UiPath automation. In today's video, we are going to automate a real world HR onboarding form from the website HappyBots. And this is a full end-to-end automation project where we will take employee details from Excel, fill out the entire web form, select checkboxes, drop downs, and finally hit the submit button. Okay, let me show you the form we are working with HR employee onboarding process. Okay, and it has first name, last name, gender, DOB, job position, department. Okay, so we have radio button and drop down as well. Okay, and finally hit the submit button. So now imagine HR receives 50 onboarding requests every week. Okay, and they are manually filling this form for every employee. Hmm. So this kind of time consuming and boring process means it's a like a repetitive process. Okay, so we are going to automate this process in RPA UI. Okay, so yeah, we will do just go to the UiPath Studio. Okay, so as I said, we are extracting the data from the Excel. Okay, what I said that we are taking the employee details from an Excel. Okay, for that we need a Excel. Okay, I do have one, so I will show you input file. Okay, and you can see here only one entry is here, but all details are present. Okay, so first name, last name, DOB, gender, job position, all are required. Okay, so I'm closing this. Just go to the UiPath Studio and just hit process and HR onboarding process automation. Right? Just hit create. Okay. So first we will read the file. Okay. So we are taking all details from Excel. So for that we need to read a file first. Okay. For that we have one activity that is read range workbook. Sorry. Yeah. Read range workbook. Okay, so just dragging here. Okay, so here we have to provide our Excel file. Okay, so I do have uh, one file that is input file. Okay, and just all are under sheet one. So I'm mentioning this and create a data table variable here. Okay, because we are storing all data in a single variable that is data table variable. Okay, so just control K and DT input is my data table variable. Okay, so now all data are stored under DT input. Hmm. So after that, I will take the use application in browser to indicate the web page. Okay, so I am indicating this page now. Okay. Yeah. And under do, we will take all activities for first name, last name, DOB, and all fields for all fields. Yeah. So go to the activity panel and check for first we will take first we will take for each row. Okay. So we have a data table, and under data table we have stored all data. Okay, all Excel data, that is DT input. Okay. Hmm. Under body we will take type into. Okay, and I am indicating the first field, that is first name. Okay. Yeah. Now we have to we have to pass our item name first, that is current row, in bracket. Just open the input file. Okay, and copy this column name, first name. Okay, do the exactly. We are getting the value from the Excel, and all Excel data are under DT input. Okay, just dot to string. To string means we are converting to string type. Okay, otherwise it will go as an object. So this is the first name, second is last name, last name, same here, current row, copy the column name, dot to string, type into DOB, current row, DOB, dot to string, type into job position. So current to string. But before job position we have gender, right? So for gender we need to take if condition. Okay, so I will show you why if condition, because we have two buttons, right? Male and female. If male, so it will select male gender, otherwise it will take female. Okay, so I will show you how it works before job position. So here in the condition current row, and gender dot to string dot to lower equal to male. Okay. So uh, see what we are doing here. We are passing the gender column here. Okay. And after that to string, why? We are converting that value into a string. Okay. If it is object or any other type, so we are only converting the value here to strings. And dot to lower, okay, dot to lower means we are converting the entire text to lowercase. Okay, so uh, male or small m and ale, that will all become male. Okay, so we are converting this male, okay, to lowercase to avoid case sensitive issues. So we are working. After that, I am taking the click activity. Okay, under them. So I am indicating con control F2. Just select EML. Okay. After that, otherwise female. If it is male, it will select male. Otherwise, it will be female. Okay, right? We have done this till now. So after that, we have contact number. Okay, for contact number, type into. Okay, same way, current row, copying this column name, dot to string. Okay, next is we have drop down. No, sorry. Before contact number, we have department. Hmm? Okay, so for department, we need to take select item. Okay, we do have one activity that is select item and before contact number. Okay, so I'm just indicating the department. Hmm, okay, and the item just current row. What is the column name? Department only. Dot to string. Hmm, okay. After that, we have personal mail ID. For that also we are using typing tool. So just current row. Okay, dot to string. Hmm. We have done till this email ID. Now equipment preference. Okay, for equipment preference, we are doing the same which we did for gender. Okay, we are taking if condition and under if condition we are providing a condition Okay, that is current row, what the column name and the case. Okay, so I will show you how to do. So I'm taking if condition here. Okay, and condition is current row in bracket double quote मध्ये. Oh yes. Okay, so OS dot to string dot to lower equals to what the value. Mm, okay, max is the value. And under Mac we have two options. For that we are using click activity. First is Mac, second activity click activity for window. Like same we are taking for all if condition current row mouse dot to string. We are providing the condition here dot to lower equals to what the value wired in bracket wired. Now click activity. Okay, so control F2. Why it's taking control F2. I'm indicating again. Control F2. Go to the browser. First is wired, second wireless. Again if condition, click activity. So expression is current row current row mouse is done keyboard dot to string dot to lower equals to wired, indicating the wired one, and another is wireless. Okay. Now the last is if again under the NLs I will click condition will be same. There is current row headphone dot to string dot to lower Okay, equals to wired. And yeah, wired and wireless. So indicating wired one. Now wireless. Okay, and now the finally submit. Okay, for that we are taking submit. Click activity to submit. Submit. Okay, but before submit, we need to take verification. For that, we are taking a delay here for some time for our convenience. Okay, but in real life can't do that. Means we can do, but for checking only details are correct or not. Mm, I will take 10 seconds. Okay, so it's done, and I will close the Excel. I will refresh this page, onboarding page, and run this. Okay, yeah, I missed one. Sheet one. Okay, just save this and rerun this. First name, last name, DOB, gender, job position, department, IT service, contact number, email, and yeah. What is the problem here? See, we have some data that is wired, but it has selected wireless. See, on the keyboard has wireless. Okay, but mouse and headphone are wired. Okay, but it is selecting wireless. Okay, so we are checking this now. Okay, so here in the condition I mentioned W capital, so it should be small, and they're also small. Okay, let me save this and refresh the page again, and hope it will work. Run the file. You can see here all data is, comes properly. Okay, and finally submit. Hit the submit. Okay, so yeah, that's it. We have just built an end-to-end UiPath automation that fills an entire onboarding process for from Excel data and submit it online. Okay. So this is not just a demo. This is exactly how RPA is used in companies to save time, reduce errors, and streamlines operation. Okay. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and drop a comment if you want me the file or any sample Excel template. Okay, in the next video, we will take this a step further. So maybe add email notification or validation after submission. Until then, keep learning, keep automating. Thank you.